Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting diary. If this is your first time to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more videos just like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining our crafting community. Tonight I just received an order for about 9 shirts for in the morning. So of course I wasn't gonna pass up that money, So right now what I'm doing is printing out the images. I've done her shirts before. Alright, so I am done printing your shirts. I am folding them now, and I'm going to place them into these bags here. This is a local pickup order. And then we got his shirt, nice and neat. So I'm just going to bag these up, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I just did 9 shirts. Put it in a zip bag. I don't want to get it too wrinkled because these are for her event tomorrow. So I don't want them too wrinkled, so then that way she can just take them out and they won't be wrinkled. Alright, so that's it. Like I said, this is a local order. This is a pickup for tomorrow morning. This is like a regular. You guys see me probably do like some of her shirts and her tablecloths. She will be at the state fair tomorrow, so I had the pleasure of making their shirts. So that's really sweet. And like, she's a regular, so when she called me, I'm like, yeah, I got you, so because she spends money with me, so I feel like that's great customer service. When you need me, I got y'all. So thank you so much for watching, and peace.